Well, I made it. Only sunny weather's not really. Hurry up, Trev, got the weather!
You old showbiz person, you.
hurry up.
I'm recording your final link, you pillock.
Silly Trevor with his movie camera, thinking it was a still. I'm saying, hurry up, Trevor, come on, please, mate, I've got the pollen count to do. And speaking of which, white screen.
Make it up, you. Make it up, you. You normally do. We all do here. You know that.
And all over the Amber Valley, and this will be the last time I ever say it, it's moderate.
No, football don't you? It's cool.
I'm laughing because you can't see the fact I had a white screen then and it was blank. Partly sunny, 18 and 64. Times of sun and cloud, that's the general synopsis. They've dropped the maximum temperature, 19 and 66. And then tonight and overnight, partly cloudy, lows of 11. Tomorrow, some sunshine, some cloud, couple of afternoon showers, highs of 20. And that is it, Amber Valley. Thank you for being part of my life for the last 4 years. And I didn't cry.
Yes, come on, get
Yay.
out, come on, move.
Didn't cry.
Well, have a lovely Christmas.